Welcome to ASIM Code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video we will write code for singly linked list in Python. A linked list is a linear data structure in which elements, called nodes, are stored in sequence, unlike arrays, where elements are stored in contiguous memory locations. The elements in a linked list are stored in random memory locations. Each node in a linked list contains two parts. Data. This stores the actual data or value. Next, or link. A reference, or pointer, to the next node in the sequence. Singly linked list. In this type of linked list, each node points to the next node in the sequence, and the last node points to null to signify the end of the list. Our code. A node class that represents a single element in a linked list. Each node has two attributes. Data stores the actual data value. Next, a reference, or pointer, to the next node in the list. A linked list class that represents the entire linked list. The linked list has an attribute head which points to the first node. It supports basic linked list operations such as insert, delete, and display. Checks if the linked list is empty. Adds a new node with the given data to the end of the list. Steps. Create a new node. If the list is empty, head is none. Set the new node as the head. If the list is not empty, traverse to the last node and attach the new node. Adds a new node with the given data to the beginning of the list. Steps. Create a new node. Set the new node's next pointer to the current head. Update the head to point to the new node. Deletes the first occurrence of a node with the given data. Steps. If the list is empty, nothing to delete. If the node to be deleted is the head, update the head. Otherwise, traverse the list to find the node before the one to be deleted and update pointers. If the node to be deleted is the head node, searches for a node with the given data. Returns true if the node is found. False if the node is not found. Displays the data in the linked list from the head to the end. Steps. Start from the head node. Traverse through the list, printing each node's data. If the list is empty, print a message indicating so. Example usage of the linked list class. Create a new linked list. Append nodes to the list. Prepend a node to the list. Display the list. Delete a node. Display the list again. Search for a node. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to Asim Code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.